Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED tail light installation guide for the Ford F-150. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the tail light. Unseat the tail light. Remove the brake lamp socket. Remove the reverse lamp socket. Remove the brake lamp bulb from its socket. Install the Spyder socket insert into the brake lamp socket. Align the black wire of the insert with the black wire of the socket to ensure correct polarity. Reinstall the reverse lamp socket. Seat the Spyder tail light. Then reinstall the two 10mm bolts that secured the tail light. Congratulations, you've updated your Ford F-150 with a set of LED tail lights from Spyder Auto.